Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the crisper cover in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Your first step is to remove all 4 glass shelves by lifting the front of each shelf up, then detach the bracket tabs from the shelf support to remove. Next, pull the platter shelf forward and lift the platter shelf glass up from underneath to remove. Open both crisper drawers, reach in, and push the crisper cover glass up and forward from underneath. Close the drawers and remove the glass. Now fully uninstall both crisper drawers by pulling them forward, then hold the side support brackets as you push the drawers back to fully detach. You can now lift up the entire platter shelf and crisper cover assembly and pull forward to remove. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing one of the platter shelf retaining plates. With the plate detached, set the platter shelf aside. Now unthread the screws to detach the other retaining plate. Depress the retaining tab at the front of the center crisper drawer slide rail support to detach it from the crisper cover. Then carefully bend the rear of the cover outward to fully release the support. You're now ready to install the new crisper cover. Align the tabs on the center crisper drawer slide rail support with the crisper cover slots and snap the support into place. Align one of the retaining plates and secure it with the screws. Realign the appropriate side of the platter shelf with the retaining plate. Then reposition the opposite retaining plate and thread the 3 screws to secure. Fully reposition the platter shelf and crisper cover assembly in the refrigerator. To reinstall the crisper drawers, pull the slide rails out, then insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the drawers and push the drawers in. Reinsert the crisper cover glass in the space between the platter shelf and crisper cover and push back until the glass is fully seated in the cover. Realign the platter shelf glass in the frame. Finally, reinstall the glass shelves by hooking the upper bracket tabs into the appropriate slots in the shelf support. Then lower the front of the shelves.